Hi friends, summer is here and importantly we need to travel to explore places. And here I did myself where I went to my destination which I really wanted to go, Kashmir. And in Kashmir, wherever I go, I try to find out the traditional practices, what is followed, because our tradition is very rich and the younger generations have done a lot of homework to ensure that the following generations are healthy, and they have found out a lot of ways to ensure that we are kept healthy. And this way, I found out this kawa, Kashmiri kawa. It is a drink like how we drink tea. It's called kawa. When I said to the natives, I need kawa tea, they said, no, it's not tea, it's kawa. So then I went into the doctors there. I spoke to them, and some of the locals who are traditional healers, I spoke to them. They have been treating with kawa with lot of conditions. So for the eye health, I've found out what all it is useful for. So it has got ingredients like green tea, cinnamon, cardamom, honey, and whole lot of things. So green tea has tremendous amount of antioxidants. So these antioxidants prevent retina from being damaged, and cataract formation also is postponed. So that's why you see Kashmiris have very good eyesight. So the cinnamon in that is helpful for improving the circulation, the blood circulation, especially the retinal circulation. So that improves the immunity as well. So the cardamom improves the immunity and boosts the wellness. So and honey is got that soothing character. It also improves the immunity and gives energy. So it is consumed in winter times with hot water. Either the cinnamon sticks, the cardamom, honey, and saffron is another very important ingredient in this, which all are grown in Kashmir. You can imagine, and this has been followed for thousands of years in the Kashmir Valley. So it's such a wonderful, excellent drink, and I have got this from Kashmir, and I've been giving it to my patients to ensure their eyes are kept strong. So the exposure to sunlight is prevented, the damaging ultraviolet light is prevented, the retina is kept in good strength, the antioxidative properties help the cellular damage being avoided, and regeneration also is possible with this. So this excellent drink is very, very easy. It's an instant mix. It is in form. If you are somebody who's having excellent lot of eye strain because of TV monitor watching or computer watching, or you're on the cell phone for long hours, this is one drink which you should consume. And you want to avoid eye problems, this is a very good drink. And if you have eye problem like retinitis pigmentosa, macular degeneration, dystrophies, macular dystrophies, diabetic retinopathy, this is a very good drink to ensure that further damage is prevented to larger extent, along with lifestyle, good lifestyle diet, which I have been telling you in the other videos. You should follow them, and definitely stem cells will be of help along with your lifestyle. So these are some of the things which we are doing to ensure you have a good quality of life. If you're somebody who's wanting to know more details about it for yourself or your family, friends, you have to subscribe to this channel, see the other videos, and please share it with a lot of your friends and relatives who want to know more about their eye health and their overall health of the other organs as well. Thank you, Dr. Sashi.